Welcome to our guide on the DraftKings Refer a Friend program. Today, we're going to show you how to earn exciting rewards and bonuses simply by sharing with friends. First, let's check how to access the Refer a Friend feature. Simply log into your DraftKings account and navigate to the Promotions section. Next, you'll generate your unique referral link. Click on Get Your Link, and it'll be ready to share. Both you and your friend will earn rewards once they sign up using your link. It's a win-win situation. Don't miss out. In 2025, the bonuses are bigger than ever. You can earn up to $100 in free bets. To encourage your friends to sign up, share your own success stories and remind them of the amazing rewards waiting for them. Let's address some common questions about the Refer a Friend program to clear up any confusion. Remember, it's crucial to follow DraftKings terms and conditions to ensure your referrals are valid. Here are some inspiring success stories from users who have greatly benefited from the Refer a Friend program. Now that you know how to refer your friends, what are you waiting for? Start sharing your link today and cash in on those rewards.